Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. So today I'm back to show you how to make this beautiful crocodile stitch or fish scale pattern. This is perfect for a triangular shawl if you want, and it's a repetition of 2 rows throughout the work. So once you get the hang on how to go up with the rows, it's the same throughout. If you want to make a shawl. So hopefully this will be a beginner friendly tutorial and easy to achieve, and we'll get started. So I'm using 5mm crochet hook and a medium worsted yarn. You can use any yarn of your choice with the recommended hook on the yarn label. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make a double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook. So this is the base of the first scale. Every row of crocodile stitch will need the base, which will be the 2 double crochet. I'll explain further later on. So I'm gonna chain 1, and what I'm gonna do in this double crochet inside, I'm gonna make 5 double crochet. So I will yarn over and work a double crochet, another one, okay, so 5 double crochet. I'm gonna chain 1, and I'm simply gonna turn to this side, which is the chain 3, initial chain 3, and I'm gonna do the same, work 5 double crochet. So yarn over, inside the double crochet, work 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is the first scale complete. Now we need to make more scales for the next row. For that we need to build the base like we said. So I'm gonna chain 3, and I'm gonna add in this stitch 1 double crochet. So I've got 2 double crochet, chain 1, inside the space over here I'm gonna make 2 double crochet. I'm gonna chain 1 again, and in this last stitch also 2 double crochet. So this is how it is. So basically now we started with 1 scale. The second row will be 2 scales, here and here, and this will always be skipped. So the one in between or in the middle will always be skipped because the scale will be big. And so I'm gonna chain 1, and I will repeat the same. In this double crochet I'm gonna make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 5, chain 1, and again like we did before, we will turn the work this side. Take the yarn with you. Oops. So here, and I will turn it this side. Okay. And I'm gonna work on the second double crochet, and I will do the same, 5 double crochet inside. So yarn over and work my 5 double crochet. That's it. And this is my second row scale. So it might be easier if you hold your work like this, so it's easier to understand how to work the scale. So if you hold the work like this, you know that you're gonna work the 5 double crochet here, chain 1, and 5 double crochet here. So this is the first scale done. Now for the second one, what you need to do, okay, I'll take the yarn off. We need to turn the work this side, so we work our 5 double crochet over here. So I'll take the hook, yarn over, turn your work this side, and insert the hook into the next, which is the last 2 double crochet, the 1 double crochet from the last 2, and work your 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And chain 1. So this is the first half of the second scale. And after chaining 1, so this is the side, you turn again to the facing double crochet, the last one, and you make 5 double crochet. And this is the second row. Okay, we'll continue on to the third row. It's gonna be the same. I'm gonna make a series of 2 double crochet. So starting with chain 3, and in the same stitch 1 double crochet, chain 1, in the space of the scale 2 double crochet, chain 1. This time you see the 2 double crochet behind, inside them you will make 2 double crochet. Oops, double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet again in the scale, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the last stitch. Okay, so this is the base of the scale. So this time for the third row I'm gonna start with one scale here, one scale in the middle and one at the end, and we'll skip these two for the space. So chain 1 and work 5 double crochet. Inside the previous double crochet. Chain 1, turn the work and face my second double crochet, work 5 double crochet. So I'm gonna skip this 2 double crochet and I'm gonna work my next in this 2 double crochet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn my work this side and I will start working my double crochets. So insert the hook into the first double crochet and work my scale. Chain 1 and turn back this side. And work 5 double crochet into the next half. So these are 2 and the last is this one. So I'm gonna skip this one and I'm gonna work my next scale here. So again, now the work is facing this side. I'm gonna turn it this way, yarn over and take the first double crochet, the second double crochet in of the last 2 double crochet and work the scale. Chain 1 and turn back the work and make in the last double crochet your 5 double crochet of the scale. And this is the third row. So you continue the same. Every row will get bigger as the scale gets more in number, and this is few rows of the scale, how it looks like, and this is how you continue for a triangular shawl, the same way I showed you, until you get the length and width required of your shawl. So I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.